How to track the user activity on a Windows computer. Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de here, wolfeye.de. This is our website. And in this video, this very short video, I would like to tell you and to show you how you can track the user activity on a Windows computer. So there are a lot of situations where you might need to monitor the user activity on a Windows computer. For example, you're a business owner, you have employees, and need to monitor the employees during working hours. Um, of course, before you do that, please make sure that you take legal advice if you in your country and your situations and your circumstances are allowed to do that. So please take legal advice. We do not give legal advice. So that's the first thing. Or you're a parent, have children, are concerned about the internet usage of your children because they have a computer in their room and you want to make sure that the content they consume is not bad content. So these are situations where you might need. And the recommendation, if you made sure that you're allowed to do it, install a computer monitoring software on the target machine, on the computer of your employee. Or you install a piece of software, like for example, Wolfeye Remote Screen, our software that you can download for free within a trial period on wolfeye.de. This is our website. And how it works, that's what I would like to show you now. Basically, it works like this: to download the software on on the computer that you want to monitor, and if you double click it, you run it, and basically you install it by hitting two buttons: the green button that says Share Screen, and the blue button that says Hide plus Win Startup. And I will demonstrate it. So you hit the green button first, and the moment you hit it, the software will create a URL, a link, and basically that's a link that if you open it in a browser, you will see it's already sharing the screen. You will see the live computer screen of this computer that Wolfeye is running. With live computer screen, I mean the software makes a screenshot every 2 seconds, so you will see every 2 seconds an updated screenshot of this computer. Um, you have this button that says email URL. It's a gray button. You hit it and you can enter the email address so that this link, this URL, is sent to your email inbox. So you can just open it by clicking from your smartphone on it. You can see the live screen on your smartphone or from your personal computer on it, and it will open the browser and you will see in the browser the live computer screen of this of the computer. So, and I said two buttons. The second is this Hide plus Win Startup button. You hit it, and that puts the application into stealth mode and hides it. It hides from the user. The user will notice nothing, that he's been monitored, but in the background, it will continue to run and will monitor everything. So please try it out. But before you try it out, watch our tutorial. We have a 9-minute tutorial. Also, we have written a whole tutorial article, but at least watch the 9-minute tutorial, because Wolfeye Remote Screen is basically it's a spy software, and that's why antivirus programs, they do detect it. And for it to be able to run, despite you are using antivirus software, you must put the folder from which you plan to start it. You must put it an exception in your antivirus exception list so that your antivirus continues to run but excludes that folder from the scan. And to know how to do that, please watch this 9-minute tutorial so you know what's meant with that. And if you have another antivirus software than the one that we are demonstrating in this video tutorial, um, just write us an email. You would find contact information here, an email, a WhatsApp number, a phone number. Contact us. We will be very happy to help you or send you the instruction for your specific antivirus program, or even we can guide you through the installation using a Google Meet session or using AnyDesk or anything like that. So as you like, you decide. Try it out. It's basically very easy to use. I hope